Hi guys, welcome back to another MD video. Today we're going to be installing fork sliders on the Street Triple, so stick around. Okay, so as you saw, I already opened the package. So these are the sliders I received. They were quite cheap. They came off of eBay. I'll leave the link in the description down below if you want to check it out. But this is just going to provide that extra safety in the front end, in case the bike ever goes down, which we hope it never will. The reason for it being so cheap is you only get the aluminium sliders and it doesn't come with any hardware. So first things first, we're gonna have to go to a parts store or like a building material store to get all the proper hardware for this for the installation, and we'll get right to it. Okay, we're back. That was quite painless. So I got a threaded rod with nuts and some washers, but I decided that I wanted lock nuts, so I bought extra lock nuts, slightly bigger washers so that they fit more snugly and hold better, and I also got some Loctite or nut lock or thread lock so that we can make sure that these things stay secure. Okay, so let's begin. This is a 300 millimeter long threaded rod. What I'm going to do is first use some insulation tape, electrical tape, and just tape up the middle so it doesn't scratch up anything else it's not supposed to. I'm not an expert. I don't know what I'm doing. Literally winging this as I go, so please forgive me. Okay, so I've measured it up and made sure that the same amount of thread is sticking out on each side of the axle. And I've tightened the nut and added the thread lock on this side and pushed it through and just added the caps or the sliders back part, if you will. And if you check on this side is still loose, so I will add the thread lock to that and tighten it up, and then we should be good to go. There we go. Not too bad. Quite easy. These don't have to be enormously tight. So I just nicely hand tighten. The caps also screw off, which is quite nice. So it makes it easy to access the nut underneath. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of Loctite on this thread and screw these on, and then we're gonna be done. There you go, guys, we are done. It wasn't too bad, a little bit of measuring, a little bit of fiddling, and we got it all sorted. Someday I'm gonna have to get the rest of the frame sliders and all the other stuff, but that's gonna come later. Until then, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.